Found the pig loose.
The pig.
Freeze! Nobody's fucking here. Fuck.
I stopped when you shouted that.
Oh,
I'm an ex-criminal.
So how do we get close?
I've got a zip line,
got-
don't worry.
Zip line
Aim for the
boys.
bushes.
Don't know if this will work, but...
You made it. Well, you made a zip line. Is she not connected here?
There we go.
Fucking worst pole ever.
Oh wait, shit! I shot it wrong. Don't go on it.
No, no.
Don't go on it.
I'm just seeing I'm
David Israel.
gonna kill myself. Hold on. Stay there, Lewis, and stay alive.
Stay alive. Wait. Oh, okay. Where'd you want it?
Oh mate, why are you using a thermal scope? That's hideous.
Oh, that's why I killed myself.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
It's just this excitement and it's choking. It's choking
Right,
me.
now we
Wait
just
till we
wait for
get up
Robbie
there.
and then we'll press the button to go up, I guess.
Is there a button?
Is there? Did we fuck this up?
What the fuck did we ask for that?
This
I
is
don't
what-
think we can go up. Oh, there's a zip line that we can't go up.
Oh shit. I used to have a
that
fucking grappling hook, but it's
This
on
is
my other
when
class.
your grapple hook would come in handy.
Guess what? I switched to a zip line.
Oh fuck. Kill yourself and get a grapple hook.
Get
Oh,
one
well, I
back.
don't-
Get a zip line gun back, away.
What I picked up?
Right. Come back the way.
We don't use it.
Is it too high?
How do we use it?
I think you shot it too high.
Oh!
Oh shit!
Kinda fucking fucked up superhero team are we, man?
See if us showed up in a fucking movie, man.
Now we'd be fucked.
Which one's got what? Okay.
I don't know. You shoot it rang and I go flying, falling off the building.
What do we call an elevator?
I need to find one that's open.
Oh,
There you
no.
go.
Is this one going up or down?
I don't know.
Oh fuck.
Going up. Going up, it said.
Fuck,
Oh
right, you can
fuck,
shoot a
this
zip
is the
line
wrong
straight
part
in
of the
there.
roof.
Alright, zip line, boys.
Into the fucking thing?
Aye.
Alright. Oh, they shot rock! They got rockets!
I killed one of them earlier. No!
Oh,
Watch the. What the fuck kind of sniper rifle is this guy got? He's pulled it straight out of fucking 1912. Can't get an antique rifle.
look, I switched to something a little bit more.
A fucking sniper scope you see your future with.
Dirty dog.
Where's the zipline guy?
Fuck knows.
I was hunting on top of me.
Ah! As soon as I put my heat up, I lost it. Dirty dog.
It was smart news. Right, I'm gonna go on top of the red thing, place, man. You ready? In fact, I'm gonna jump up here and place it.
The way you fucking died there.
It's alright. Go back, chat, see if it works.
Why is your zipline so high up? Fucking Andre the Giant are shooting these things, man.
Why would you get shot for him? Just watch his life, his corpse just form. It's up, go, 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 go.
Right.
Watch, Fred's gonna be watching.
Right.
Did you make it?
No,
Who's
I
made it?
fucking
Right.
jumped on the
I've made it.
zipline
I'm
and
trying to,
pressed X like halfway through. and
I'm
fell
trying to
off.
grab my fucking grapple.
Oh fuck, I
Watch
picked the
out.
sniper again.
Oh my fault. Wait, I can't, wait, you can't use that at all actually. What the fuck?
Go grapple and helicopter.
Where we are,
fucking
where we
Batman.
Where we were?
Where we were? Oh fuck!
Monsters are the sitting ducks.
Ah! Ah!
Oh.
He's trying to grab it as well and he can't.
You just jumped off.
He just fucking gave up. Fuck!
Oh fucking hell. Like that perfect time to spawn in on your helicopter. What happened there?
I'm just spotting on it now. Fuck.
It sounds like it's in pain.
Is that a taxi?
Under the police.
Whoop, whoop,
That's the sound of the beast.
whoop,
So
whoop.
they fire helicopter.
Meanwhile, they're
Right.
just cruising now. We're not even fighting anymore. How do you put a sign on
LB, I think.
them?
Fuck. Bad at Totty, like, take fire
You're in
helicopter.
trouble, motherfucker!
Hanging out the window with a sniper rifle.
Maybe it is bad, maybe it is bad, maybe it is bad. I'm spotting on you, right?
Oh no.
These boys ready?
No, you.
But I shotgun it.
Fuck!
I got somebody!
What is that fucking emblem
Yeah,
he's got?
being judged. Everyone can't go there for some odd reason.
You're being judged to a cunt that looks like Daniel Larson.
Well, you said he just charge in.
Right.
I've got mine in that. I'm
Come
planning
go.
on charging. I'm planning on just charging in, mate, and just hiding.
Rah!
Worry in.
Oh,
Sake.
Slaying them with my sword, I will swing it.
Seen that? I walked through the smoke, just seen one whack a guy on it with a sword.
Look at hang this other
What?
mate, I was
What
just
the
thinking about
fuck,
But
man?
you cunt stood there with a fucking RPG.
He's shooting our corpses. He's like, yeah, I did something. Who's the guy with the riot
Cunt
shield?
came up with a riot shield at the same time.
We need to do that.
Please.
Sam there.
I think so.
Oh, he's coming.
I'm gonna check what this is.
Here it comes.
Oh
For
fuck!
fuck's sake. It's like a sniper somewhere, man, shooting at us.
I can
Oh,
hear him, but I
fucking
can't
where,
see.
okay, man. I know. He's here.
Yeah.
That's all I hear there again.
You hear that shit?
There he is, there. What a belter if you hit some of
Holy
The Lord
Man killed him to
always
death.
wins.
Oh,
8 kills and 8 deaths. Oh wait, 9 deaths. It changed. Why did it change? It said
Maybe an extra
8
death,
and then it went up to 9. It was like, oh, you're bragging about this. Let's give you another death. Fuck you.
I don't know if you're shite.
How's it going, everyone? I'm just here to give you some context of what's coming up next. So me and the boys decided to create this fake radio station, and we decided to make a wee little skit or something like that. And Lewis does the radio station, while me and Robbie are the people trying to do the calls to give out requests for the music, and everything just falls into chaos and shit like that. So I hope you enjoy the rest of this video.
This is my only favorite station, playing the best songs on the radio.
Janice.
I saw you.
Janice,
I saw you get your
Janice, cut
cock
it.
out under the
Janice.
helicopter.
Janice, you ain't fucking making me here alive.
You stripped off naked,
Sorry.
got your cock out under the helicopter. You don't get hit.
Sorry about that, folks. Sorry about that, folks. Seems like another disconnection. I don't know what's going on. Maybe there's some guy with a big fucking forehead or something. I don't know what's going on. But anyway, we'll play the last recommendation. All summer long, Kid Rock. We'll just play that for
Ring,
you. and
ring,
you'll enjoy.
ring, 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 ring. Ring, ring.
Hello, welcome back to 125 Radio. You hear?
You got your
recommendation,
cock
you
out. You got your cock out. You got your cock out. You had to have bad hairline. You got your cock out. I know who you are. I know
Sorry
who you
about
are.
that, folks. Sorry about that, folks. Seems like
I'm still here.
disconnection. Another
I'm still here.
disconnection. I don't know what's going on.
I'm still
Sorry about
here.
Janice.
You got your cock out.
Janice, if you don't fucking stop this, I'm gonna kill you.
Janice
Alright.
works for me.
Do you want to be the fourth one? No? We'll fucking stop it.
You got a shit
Sorry about
hairline.
that, folks.
You got your cock out. Bye.
I'm so sorry about that, everybody. I don't know what's going on. Seems like there's a lot of prank callers here tonight, you know how it is. It's a Saturday night, people having a couple of drinks. I mean, you don't know how people are going to react to a live service call. Anyway, it seems like... It seems like we've got a recommendation. We had the last call, Kid Rock, fucking Kid Rock.
He doesn't the first.
We're still doing this fucking thing.
I guess. We're just doing the fucking about, mate, till this game's done.
Alright then, I'll do the radio thing. We're still doing that. Alright then.
Ladies and gentlemen, it seems
Go
like
bring
it's
ring,
a new
ring.
dawn, it's a new day.
Ring,
We're
ring,
Kid
ring,
Rock's
ring.
that was up.
Ring, ring.
For fuck's sake. Hello caller, how are you? What's your name? Where are you from?
Hello. You don't know me, but I know you. I want to play a game. There is only one key.
I don't know what's going on, folks. I really don't.
It's in the stomach of your dead
Janice, figure
soulmate.
out what's going on here.
You better hurry up. Live or die. Make your choice.
What?
What?
Janice,
Cut.
Janice, figure out what's going on tonight. Alright. Sorry about that, folks. That was another prank call, you know, what it's like Saturday night, people having a wee drink. Some people are fucking drug addicts, you know, sometimes they act a bit daft.
When you're a drug addict, well.
Can we get a song played? You know what I mean? It's all night radio. Can we get a fucking song played, maybe, please? For the last fucking time, can we play Kid Rock all summer long?
Wing, wing,
Let's try
wing, wing.
again.
Wing, 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 wing. Wing, wing, wing.
Let's just let this one ring out. It seems to be an abundance of prank callers at this time of night, so let's just let this one ring, eh? Kid Rock all summer long.
Wing, 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 wing.
Kid Rock all summer long. Ignore the ringing, folks, please. Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Hello?
Jonathan, is this
Who the
you?
fuck phoned me? You called my phone.
Jonathan? Is this you, Jonathan?
It's going to stop this, man.
Jonathan, I know this is you. I've been waiting for you. Where have you been?
Janice, hang up.
Jonathan,
Why are you
I
waiting
missed
for me to
so
tell
much.
you? You should know you've been doing this for 3 years now. You should fucking just hang up.
Oh no.
Janice, if you don't hang up, I'm
No.
going to annoy your hair off your head.
Oh Jesus.
Let's continue this fucking song. It was 1989. My thoughts were short. My hair was long. Come on.
Yeah.
folks,
Because
we're
I
getting
were
there.
treated by a man.
She was 17, she was far from in between. It was summertime in northern Michigan. Remember, folks, we've changed the number recently because of all the prank calls. The number's now 2. So please, if you've got a recommendation, please call in to 2 at all night radio, all night long, baby. Number 2. Got a recommendation, call number 2. Just stop the prank calls, please, folks. We've got another 16 hours to go.
See on that in the background?
Let's start off the day with Life is a Highway.
Wing, 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 wing.
8 seconds into the song, folks, there's already a call. Assume we've got some passionate callers tonight. Hello, how do you do? This is All Night Radio, how are you?
Can you put a song on, please?
A song recommendation, folks. What's your song, sir? What you got your
Yeah,
recommendation for us, sir?
I might not be in the area you're looking for, but Beautiful Thing by Stone Roses.
Beautiful Thing by the Stone Roses, I'll tell you something. This is All Night Radio, we play all kinds of songs all night.
Were you not at the concert when that happened? I'm sure you are.
A beautiful thing by Stone Roses. I'll play that
Yeah.
right for you, sir.
Yeah,
Don't
you
you
were at
worry.
the concert.
Don't you
were at
worry,
the
I'm
concert.
playing your song. Don't
I was
you
there
worry, I'm
drinking with
playing your
you.
song
I
right
was
now. I'm
drinking. We
looking
were
for it.
friends.
Janice,
We were
Janice,
friends.
I'm looking for it right now, sir. I'm
Listen.
looking for your song right now. Looks like I seem to have found
You had
the
done
album.
nothing bad. You done nothing
Janice.
bad. I'm trying to put you in the fucking spotlight here. He helped our ass out.
Seems to have lost another caller there, folks. Here's the beautiful thing, Stone Roses, or whatever the fuck. Just listen to that. Do-do-do. Dookie-dookie-dookie-doo-dookie-dookie-doo. Sister must have missed you. Whatever the fuck.
Aye. Wasn't like trying to put you in a spotlight, mate, and you hung
I
up
don't
on
know what's going on, folks. People keep bringing up things about the rape. I mean, people keep bringing things up about something that happened that never even happened. People just wanted money off of me, you know.
Want to call it, well?
Fuck.
Here you go then. Hang on.
You know what? Country music,
Hang on.
folks. Country music.
Hang
We'll
on.
go through
I
that
got you,
country,
bro. I got you too. Ring, 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 ring.
Oh, fuck's sake. Hello, callers. All Night Radio. How are you? Are you fine? How do you do?
Oh yeah, wait, I heard you're doing country music.
Country, yes, sir. Country music.
Can you put on Hank Steele, the Real Queer Cowboy, by Dog Fashion Disco?
Click. Sorry about that, folks. I had to hang up on him. It seems to be another prank caller.
I was doing that fucking. That was genuine.
A genuine fucking phone rang and you hung up again. Well,
Oh, grab it, bro. Jeez.
so we're going in the right pure like us, so it's like the press with all these prank balls.
Seems to be some very vicious people out there tonight, folks. I don't know what's going on. I mean, it's only 10 to 8 o'clock at night and we're gone till 7 in the morning, man. I mean, we only started half an hour ago, if that. And it seems like I'm living in hell, people. Everybody else.
Ring, 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 ring.
Hello.
If a penis gets sunburned, is it called Sunny D?
I mean,
I don't know what's going on in
Answer the question. I don't know what it is, bro. I don't know.
I don't know. Oh, man. Everybody listening to this right now, this is a cry for help. Help. Don't know.
we fucked him up, well.
I think
Just wanted to play some music. To play some music and everybody's phone is talking about Wallies. Wallies in the sun. Wallies on stage. I don't know what to do.
Wang, 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 wang.
Hello.
We were talking about your belly, you're on stage. You had your cock out on stage.
I did. And so what? You loved it. Everybody loved it.
See, people, this is his real
Everybody
face.
loved it. When I was covered in blood and
Boycott.
sperm. I had my
Holy
Wally,
shit.
I had my Wally out on stage and I flung it about in people's faces. Maybe she was only 14, but I done it anyway.
Wow.
This is the end, but you'll never get me. You know why? Because I've got a gun in here and I'm putting it up against my head right now.
Well,
Never
do it.
You'll never catch me. Good night, folks, and I hope you all live happily ever after.
Well. Sounds like he never killed himself, he just shot the roof and ran away.
Well, that took a bit of a turn, didn't it?
Fuck's sake.
Drove a man to insanity to admitting his most heinous crimes. So, under cover photos, phoning in, knowing what he done.
Just going to get him to Amato.
Right, anyway, that was a whole fucking movie you just done there.
What percent is it?
My game's finished, but I'm installing all the DLC.